Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with Tinkle Razors. So I'm going to review Tinkle Razors for you all today. I'll be posting a detailed tutorial on this later on, but first I just want to tell you a few important thing about these razors. Acha, we have three razors in each pack, and these ones are imported from China. Okay, the quality is really good. You can also get Tinky available in market, but those are, I think, fake ones, and the quality is really bad. I haven't used them personally, but I've heard really bad reviews. These ones I've used personally, and I honestly love them. So yeah, since all of us are badly stuck during this lockdown period and during this pandemic going on, so we can't go out to salons. These Tinkle razors are lifesavers, I swear. They work really good. They are so easy to use. These are so easy to use, plus you get rid of that painful procedure of threading and waxing your face. Oh god, that is so painful. So yeah, Acha, there is this myth that if you use razors, you get really thick hair. For me, this never happened, and I think this is a myth. I tried it, but obviously, it's good if you're going to do a patch test first for yourself, and you can see for yourself that if it's working for you or no. Because I always say this thing that every skin is different, so all skincare products and products like these work differently for different people, and yeah, so I was telling you about these razors. These are really good for exfoliation as well. They remove the dead skin from your face, and you get three razors in a pack. Each razor can be used 5 times, I guess. Yes, and they have this stainless steel blade. I'll show you a clear view from my personal razor so that you have an idea about. Okay, so I don't know, my video just stopped working. Okay, so this is my personal razor. I'm going to show you this. It has this plastic cover which protects the razor, and it has this kind of a blade. This is a zigzag blade. Acha, now there is this one more razor with straight blade, I heard, and that is, I think, really bad, and people are giving me really bad reviews about it. Again, I haven't used it personally, but this one is really good, and it's pocket friendly. Plus, each razor can be used 5 times. So in each pack there are three razors, so total 15 times you can use these. And the blade is of stainless steel. All you can do is just sanitize it after using it, so that it's very important to maintain the hygiene as well. And I'll drop down the link from where you can get it. You can purchase it from my page as well. I'll drop down the link in the description box below. And this is it, guys, and I'll be doing a detailed tutorial on these razors, how to use them, and the entire procedure, inshallah, soon, so that you guys have an idea about it. So this is it, guys. Take care of yourself, and please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.